Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Donita Divine. Welcome to my first Get Ready With Me Halloween edition. Today we are headed to a Halloween party, a costume party for adults only, and I decided to do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Try to do the remake of Lil Kim, Crush on You. Yes. So I got blue wig, my coat, my gloves, and let's see what we're gonna do. Let's see how we can pull this together. I am not the best with makeup, so I hope y'all give me some grace. Let me know what you think. So, first things first, I think I'm going to start with my makeup, right? Yes, I need to do some lashes, but I'm gonna start with my contacts. So, light brown contacts because in her picture, she has a different color eye. So I am doing with these crystal brown contacts. They are about these a couple years ago. They don't expire until sometime next year. So we good. They expire in December of 2025. So I am going to use these and change my eyes. So let's see what they do. I'm gonna take these contacts out. I feel like I need to do these before I put on makeup and lashes, because this ain't gonna work right for me. I'm not that girl that know how to maneuver. Okay. I'm gonna get these out. See my eyes? Yeah. I look a mess.
I was like, your door's open. It's really loud downstairs. I was about to ask you, you want me to close the door, but I didn't know you were recording.
I'm recording, you see? Say hi.
Hello. I'm gonna look on
Okay.
Does it hurt? Oh, and that's when you walked in. I was like, oh.
Yeah, it was bothering me. I don't know why. I'm trying to see. I may have to hopefully have another one in here. Yes, I got it working. Okay. Brand new. I know you've heard me on the radio. True. I have not had my brows done. Oh. So I hope Lil Kim will forgive me. Or I got my nails done. So I'm glad she is wearing gloves. Because I'm going to get my nails done next week. My daughter had me in the beauty shop all day. Getting her hair done. Daughter's day. I don't know if I'm... I don't usually do makeup with people. So y'all... Let's get it done. Outline my brows. I probably should though. Because I have an arch. Usually when I have an arch, I don't do this. Child. When I have a fresh arch, I don't need to do this. With this arch, these brows need some love. Look at my brown bathroom. Okay. Let's see. What does she look like? So she has on some lashes and she has on some like some bluish silver eyeshadow. I need lashes. I need some big lashes though. Let me go look for some. Usually I dry fit this stuff before it's time, but I ain't got time this week. So I'm praying that this goes off without a hitch. I hope I can pull this off. I've been on my husband like, did you get your costume? And I'm gonna order this stuff and it's been here for weeks. I ain't trying on nothing. So if I can't fit it, I'm gonna have to improvise. So, baby, we already late. True. Hey, my nails blue. Don't look at them though, too close. Okay, so my lashes are on. It's coming together. I take this off because in this picture, she has like this stripy shirt underneath there. And yeah, so, and I'll do the shadow and stuff later, but I found this shirt from Amazon. I promise it's the exact same shirt, but it's long sleeve. So I hope I'm not too hot, but I'm going to put it on maybe with a blue bra, I guess. That's what I'm doing, period. Okay, so this is the shirt and my, you can tell I got on a blue bra. I just decided to keep it blue, keep it royal. And yeah, so in the video, she has on like a fur suit. Yeah, I didn't do that. I decided I opted for leggings because the leggings was just gonna be better for me. I'm not wearing this faux pantsuit. I don't faux fur on my legs. It just seems very hot. So it's been really warm here. So I feel like this will be just fine. So let's see what it do. Okay, so in here she has like silver bluish. So right now I am going to put up my eyeshadow and hopefully see what it looks like when it all comes together. Because I may have to adjust it. This is a dark brown pencil because if we know, she had a lot of lip liner. This is horrible. We're playing all the hits down there that I can't have playing on my video. I look too good. I'm so sorry. I like it. Okay. Let me go get my jewelry. I'm gonna take these out. I can't see my eyes. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to cut these bangs again. I need to see my eyes. But she has some hoop earrings, so I'm gonna put these little cheap things on my ball. Hopefully they don't break. They feel like they're about to break. This is rum. This is vodka.